We're gonna throw the bird sniper style.
Bird's desperately trying to flap to fucking get away, but
there's no evading it. You're under my control now.
You know what you must do. The cat was unperturbed.
I think we've explained this joke before, but for context, there's a character in Yu Yu Hakusho who's called Sniper. He's a telekinetic, and his whole gimmick is that he just hurls things at other people.
Very well.
And there was a point where Yusuke was worried that he was going to send a bunch of birds at him, which is just a beautiful mental image, because the birds can't stop themselves from being flung as projectiles.
He did send a truck after him.
He did.
It was great.